In the dark of the forest deep, a she-wolf prowls while Prince does weep. Moonlight shining on their fate, two lost souls in boundless hate. She-wolf howls to the midnight sky, Prince in shadows asks her why. Once a queen, now cursed to roam, he seeks answers far from home. Oh, the she-wolf cries at night, Prince in sorrow lost his light. Legends told of love and woe, heartbreak in the moon's soft glow. Prince remembers days of gold, castle walls and stories told. She-wolf dreams of what she lost, both trapped, paying high the cost. In their pain they found their way, lonely hearts in night and day, bound together, curse and tear, in the moonlit forest air. Oh, the she-wolf cries at night, Prince in sorrow lost his light. Legends told of love and woe, heartbreak in the moon's soft glow. Remembers days of gold, castle walls and stories told. She-wolf dreams of what she lost, both trapped, paying high the cost. In their pain they found their way, lonely hearts in night and day, bound together, curse and tear, in the moonlit forest air, in the moonlit forest air, in the moonlit forest air. Oh, the she-wolf cries at night, Prince in sorrow lost his light. Legends told of love and woe, heartbreak in the moon's soft glow.